How to awaken ice fruit. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to awaken the ice fruit in Blox Fruits. So it's a simple process, so follow along closely. Awakening the ice fruit and other fruits like the magma fruit in the Blox Fruits involves a few steps. You will need to complete the challenges and spend some in-game currency to upgrade and awaken your ice fruit. First, head to the laboratory on the second sea. Inside the laboratory, solve a puzzle using the buttons on the screen to unlock a secret passage. Climb up this passage to meet an NPC called the Mysterious Scientist. Speak to him and he will offer you different options for your Blox Fruits, including ice and magma. Choose ice to begin the trial for upgrading your ice fruit, and after trading your Blox Fruit with him, get the chip he provides and enter any available capsule on your left. Press the green button inside the capsule to be teleported to the trial, and the trial consists of various tasks and raids that you must complete. Once finished, speak to the mysterious NPC to awaken your ice fruit or the chosen element, and you can repeat this process to unlock new abilities for different fruits. So this was all about how can you awaken the ice fruit in Blox Fruit. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.